When the Prophet ﷺ came across a woman who was in a graveyard crying over a grave, a child of hers that she'd lost, he came up from behind and he said to her, be mindful of Allah, be patient. She said, go away, you were not touched by my affliction. You don't know what I'm going through. She didn't know it was the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ behind her. He didn't respond. That is what I find fascinating here, by the way. He didn't respond. It's like he acknowledged that during a time of shock and adversity, not everyone will behave the right way. So she spoke in this disrespectful way. He didn't say to her, I am the messenger of God. No, he walked away. Then somebody came to her and said, that was the Prophet Muhammad. So she got up and she made her way to his house and she came in and she said, I didn't know it was you. What did he say? He said, patience is when the calamity first strikes. Not now. Patience is when the calamity first strikes. So something frustrates you, annoys you, something doesn't go your way, and you destroy things. You break and you smash and you swear. And then you say, well, I guess I better be patient, inshallah. No, the time is gone for patience. Now what you need is tawbah, to say astaghfirullah.